third week of planting. Is what a typical So guys, this is the third week of planting the cucumber and I am on my way to the farm. I'm actually very close. I'm about to water them, take care of them and see how they're doing for the day.
Yeah.
So guys, this is what a typical established plantain farm looks like. This is a lot, trust me. And as it's so big, it's called a plantation. I'm sure you know about that. Guys, I think the cucumber I planted on the 1st of February is trying to shame me, because tell me why this is the third week and I'm just seeing few stands. I'm going to show you what I mean. So this is what the farm looks like and nothing. This is the first row, nothing. Keep going, nothing. Keep going, nothing. You see, so I resorted to planting lettuce as well, just few stands, and because what I'm planting is time bound, I really do not want to risk it by waiting to see if it's still going to come out or not. So the thing is, I planted these crops when the heat wave was too much and everywhere was too hot and all of that. So I think it's really had a very, very, very significant effect on the growing of these crops. So that's what I was just trying to say here and all of that. I felt really bad because I lost a lot of seeds and that is money. That is thousands of naira. I lost them. But then that's what agriculture is about. Trials, failures, trials and failures. But yeah. You guys wish my lettuce well, wish me that it does well, and coming back here to update you guys is going to be that they are growing. So yeah, that will be all for today. It's already getting really dark. See you in the next vlog. Bye.